Welcome. I'm here to introduce you to the winder by Simplicity. This machine is used to wind your bias strips of fabric onto the spindle to be used with your bias tape maker. I'm going to point out some of the components of the machine. The winder runs on a power supply cord or 4 AA batteries inserted into the bottom for easy portability. There is an on and off button, an adjustable and removable guide bar, and a winding buddy spindle. Now let's get started. Remove the adjustable guide bar from the machine by pulling on the clip. Pull back on the tab to release the winding buddy spindle. Cut your bias strips at a 45-degree angle. Using the clip on the roller, slide your fabric underneath and thread the remaining ends through the slot on the spindle. Pull back on the tab and line the square end with the square and the circle with the circle and close. Replace the guide bar and snap it into place. Adjust your guide to the width of your fabric to make an even reel. Press the on button to start. Your bias strips will wind evenly onto your spindle. A wonderful advantage of the winder is that instead of winding by hand, which creates a loose, uneven spool of fabric, the winder creates a tight, even roll. To stop the machine, press the button again. Now I'll show you how to use your winder with your Simplicity bias tape maker. Place a pre-wound spool of fabric into the cradle of the bias tape maker. Follow the instructions to thread your machine. Once your machine is threaded, press the run button to run 6 to 8 inches of bias tape through the machine. Follow the instructions for the winder to thread the machine. Once both machines are ready, press the run buttons at the same time to wind your bias tape onto the winder. Now that your bias tape strip is wound on the spindle, you're ready to start your project. Have fun!